Wait.
Oh my Lord. What's up, everybody? So, welcome back. I got HK again today.
That's you. I'm AK, not HK.
Oh, I got AK in the video. But today I'm going to be unboxing a new package. I'm going to start another line of business. Go figure, right? I mean, all kinds of stuff anyway. But on top of my t-shirts, decals, and candles, I'm going into making makeup. So, I got this. No.
Oh.
And it's from TKB Trading. And it's to start making lip gloss at first.
Can I open that?
Are you dying?
Can I open that? So mean.
I got a big organza bag for y'all.
You mean?
Hell, mommy.
You won't let me open anything. I want the bag.
No.
Oh.
I'm gonna put my stuff back in it.
Oh my God. Put some drink in and just eat it.
No.
And put the cap on and squirt it.
So I got my vanilla flavoring. My syringes. And then I got the color for the lip glosses. And it's got white, like a peaches color, 2 different shades of pink, and then brown. And then it says, this is a thank you card. It says, thank you for shopping with us. We hope you are enjoying your purchase. TKB lip liquids can be stirred into TKB gloss base until you have achieved your desired opacity, however you say that word, as much or as little as you desire. Additional cosmetic pigments and flavor oils may be added as well. We would love to hear what you think, so if you get a chance, please help us by running a product review. If you have questions or concern, please reach out. We'd love to help. So there's the white and the peach. And then there's a lightish pink. Well, the white one says pigment white. The peach is tickled peach.
Tickle.
This one is a yummy pink. This pink is perky pink. And then the chocolate is chocolate brown. My syringes, and then I got pipettes, which is what you use to fill the lip gloss tubes. And there's my lip gloss tubes. And then AK's been playing with my lip gloss base. So it's just the lip gloss base. So now I've got to go to the store and get my other ingredients so I can start messing around with this stuff and start playing around in it. So I gotta get me some gloves and the other ingredients that I need. So be looking for videos of me making lip gloss, starting making lip gloss. You in the zone?
No, I ain't looking.
And I'm sure AK will probably help me. So we're gonna.
I'm gonna do my makeup look pretty.
So I'm gonna get into the lip gloss business. It's a high trend right now, so wish me luck. And if you have any questions, comment below. If there's any videos you want to see us do, also leave us a comment. If there's any pranks or anything you want to do, comment, email. I'll put all my links in the description as well as the end of my video. Please subscribe and smash that notification bell. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. So if you like these unboxing videos, they're a big trend right now on YouTube as well. So I guess we'll be doing more of these. You want to smell this? It smells like vanilla cupcakes.
Oh.
We'll see you next time. Have a great day.